Hello coder, welcome to my channel Code for No Time. Today I have started a new series ASP.NET Core with Blazor. So first of all, we need to know what is the ASP.NET Core or why we use ASP.NET Core and Blazor. So what is the ASP.NET Core? ASP.NET Core is a free, open source and cross-platform framework for built web-based applications such as web app, IoT app and mobile application. It is designed to run the cloud as well as on premise. And what is the Blazor? Blazor is a free and open source web framework that enables developers to create web application using C# and HTML. And it is developed by Microsoft as .NET Core and Blazor both are developed Microsoft. So today we learn about Blazor. So first of all we open Visual Studio and I have installed here Visual Studio 2022 or you can download from Microsoft site. Just go Google and type Visual Studio 2022 and go to first link. You find here is a 3 version on community which is for free everywhere. Professional or enterprises I need to purchase. So you first download here and install it and then open your Visual Studio. I am open here with new project and here you found a lot of project here. So today we started the Blazor application, so just type here Blazor and we found there is a Blazor server app and a Blazor WebAssembly app. So which type application we use here? If you want to a server with front end back end both, you can use as Blazor web server because it's a real use signaler is every request. And if you want to only for client type, you can use WebAssembly. So this part we have used both ASP.NET Core with Blazor. So I choose a Blazor server app, select Blazor server app, then next, and I take here some name. So Blazor app, and here I put my location where I so just select your location where you want to application store here and select your name here Blazor server app and the next, and you found here .NET 6.6.0 application. I stay here HTTP configs and enable defaults. Just keep here and create new project. It's take just a little time to create your project. So it's here creating a new project Blazor server, and finally create new project Blazor server over. So here my project. So what will be create for this stage when I create my first project. So just overview my project structure. here first dependencies that's mean here lot of dependent as like a lot of code is installed here. Framework here is .NET Core app, and properties just here is how to your project launch your project, which port you will be project you can specify here you want to is exactly port you can find here. You can run IS Express or any other port, and you can also change your port uh, project name and application environment is deployment or environment, which type of environment you use, production level or deployment level is specified there. Also you would see there at www root. This part used for all resource like image or CSS. You also there here CSS already stay here. Bootstrap, Bootstrap 5.1 built in for this version. uh, Also here is a font of some font stay here. And data file is also find here as an entity or a data class as like a class which you want to there. Pages is for all kind of page you can put here as like the index page. And index page, here is a user page that is a route address and is slash, that's mean fast page routing here. And also you find a share, and is share find is a main layout, whose layout is fast look for your project you is dedicated you find here. And you can find as is inherit a layout component. That's mean every layout you have inherit a layout component. And also find that nav menu. What is the nav menu? Nav menu is a component that is a we already is created already a nav menu. And this nav menu I have only for menu related stable here. Import here if you want to source third party application to or other your customize app you can using here. And if you use here so use a globally use for every uh, component in this project. App.Razor, this is your routing style, how to run routing your project. uh, App setting is here as a setting that's when you can use API or a database connection, your locality, your maximum configuration file here. And most thing is programming.css. This is a starting point your application. So you know that every application has a starting point, and css program.css is starting point. So first of all we run our project and see what happened. So I just run it. It's run my IIST server. And first time it took time, and also it depended your laptop configuration. You see that around my application and still running. And you look here, my configuration is HTTPS localhost 71739. Without HTTPS is run 5273. And if you want to close, then Control plus C. And its environment is deployment environment, which we dedicate your uh, properties launch setting. So here is use development. uh, Also here is root container, where exactly where my project is stored here. So let's see. It is my Blazor first application. And welcome, hello my world, welcome my app. And you see left side is a routing here, and a first lot of data. And so Next video we will discuss about more. Thank you for listening my video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel or share my channel.